Next, a man has been found guilty of murdering 19-year-old Eddie Kenuthia in an attack just yards from the teenager's home in St Paul's, Bristol. Eddie died in hospital after being stabbed several times at a community event, with a wound to his leg proving fatal. 27-year-old Zachariah Talbot Young was convicted at Bristol Crown Court, while a co-defendant was cleared earlier in the trial. Police say long-standing rivalries between local groups complicated the investigation, though officers praised those who eventually came forward. The Environment Agency says parts of the West could face drought next summer if winter rainfall falls below 80% of normal levels. Officials warned the Wessex area covering Somerset, Wiltshire, Bristol and Dorset is already in a prolonged dry period following the hottest summer on record. The agency says depleted reserves mean sustained winter rain is essential, and the public may need to take extra steps to reduce water use. The government's exploring plans for new reservoirs, though experts stress personal choices still make a meaningful difference. Energy bills for millions of households across Great Britain will rise in January after the industry regulator announced a surprise increase in gas and electricity costs. Ofgem says the quarterly price cap for January to March will rise by 0.2%, taking the average annual dual fuel bill to £1,758, up from £1,755. The regulator says that when adjusted for inflation, the cap's 2%, or £37, lower than the same period last year. Tim Jarvis, Ofgem's Director General for Markets, said while energy prices have fallen in real terms over the past 2 years, we know people may not be feeling it in their pockets. A major prostate cancer screening trial, the largest in decades, has begun in the UK. GPs have started sending out the first letters inviting men to take part in the £42 million Transform trial, funded by Prostate Cancer UK and the National Institute for Health and Care Research. Hashim Ahmed, the trial's chief investigator, said Transform is truly game-changing. The start of recruitment today marks a pivotal step towards getting the results men urgently need to make prostate cancer diagnosis safe and more effective, so that we can unlock the potential of prostate cancer screening in the UK.